Here are 3 acrylic keyguards that were designed with the Volkswitch keyguard designer and laser cut by the folks at Keyguard AT. The keyguards can be cut from transparent acrylic or colored acrylic. Let's look at how well they fit. Here's one keyguard on an iPad Air 3 running TouchChat. Here's another on a pretend iPad Air 1 running a pretend copy of GoTalkNow. The first keyguard is mounted with slide-in tabs, and the second one would be mounted with microsuction tape. Both keyguards fit very nicely. I ensured that they would by 3D printing the first 2 layers of the keyguards to verify that they would fit properly before sending my order to Keyguard AT. These matte finish keyguards provide complete clarity. Let's contrast that with a similar keyguard 3D printed with transparent filament. Though this keyguard was printed with 10% infill and a minimum number of top and bottom layers, the best we can achieve is translucency, not transparency. So if you need a transparent keyguard, laser cut acrylic is the way to go.